everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is a video streaming service available for Amazon Prime members. With an eligible Prime membership, you can access to thousands of Prime Video titles. To log into Amazon Prime, make sure you have registered to Amazon Prime membership first. You can log into Amazon with any web browser or even get it from the Play Store on your device. Start by going to your web browser and search for amazon.co.uk. Enter. On the homepage of Amazon, go to Accounts and Lists and click on Sign In. This is where you can sign into your account from. Enter your email or your phone number and click on the Continue button. Now enter a valid password to your account. In case you forgot the password, click on Forgot Password and you will be able to recover your forgotten password. After entering your password, click on Sign In button. And just like that, you are into your Amazon account. From the home page, go to Prime Video and click on it to access to movies, TV shows and much more. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I'll see you again with another video. Till then, goodbye.